Kilometre Club, which we have at Riverside Primary School, was something I developed in another school, and it was an idea that came from Australia, that no matter what your playground is like, as you can see we've just got tarmac at the moment, you can set up a track and the children can come out at any time during the day with their class. Usually most classes come out 3 times a week. Our autism provision classes come out, the whole school can come out. Sometimes they're just out for 5 minutes, it can be 10 minutes, not a long time. Doesn't matter what the weather's like, it's a bit rainy today. They don't need to change their shoes or anything, and they go around the track. They can walk, they can jog, they can sprint. And as they pass their class teacher, they're getting a little dot in their hand. And 8 times round the track is 1 kilometre. They can then record their kilometres on a little chart in their classroom. And then we work out how far they've travelled.
Each week our class, 2 members of my class would go around the whole school, collect the results for each week of how far each class has run in kilometres. We add them all up, so that's looking at our addition. We divide our class total by 8 to look at kilometres. And from that we can work out how far we've travelled. On top of that we actually look at cities and different countries that we reach, we look at populations, and I think that develops their understanding of the world around us.
All the children really enjoy it, and they're competing against themselves, not each other.
It makes us feel free, and we can let out some energy, and we can be outdoors. It just makes you feel like healthy and fit and happy and just excited and proud what you've done.
And it's really encouraging them to have lifelong skills of taking exercise, of keeping fit.
I used to just sit in the house, but now I go out more and do more exercise and like running now and stuff, because I never used to.
As I find that, especially with my class, it really allows the children to set themselves achievable targets, and each week when they meet these, getting a better record than the week before, you can see that their self-esteem and confidence grows. It also ties in with the school values of be the best you can be, because the children are trying each time they go out there to be the best they can.
Just that it gives the children a brain boost by coming out into the fresh air, break from their learning in class, a little bit of a brain boost, and then back in ready to learn again.
And then when we go back out inside, we can get hard at work again.